Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making a family favorite, our refined sugar-free pear crisp filling. Made with pears we foraged ourselves. This recipe is perfect for canning and keeping your pantry stocked with delicious natural ingredients. First, we're prepping 5 pounds of fresh pears. Peel and dice them into even pieces. This makes the filling much easier to use in crisps or pies. In a large pot, mix 3 cups of water, a half a cup of maple syrup or honey, and a quarter cup of apple cider vinegar. Next, add your spices, cinnamon, nutmeg, ginger, and clove. Bring everything to a simmer. This creates a naturally sweet and spiced syrup. To thicken, whisk a quarter cup of arrowroot powder in a little cold water and stir it into your syrup. You want a smooth, glossy texture. Now add your diced pears to the pot and simmer for 5 more minutes. You want the pears to be coated but still firm for canning. Ladle the mixture into sterilized jars, leaving about 1 inch of headspace. Process them in a hot water bath for 20 minutes for pint jars and 25 minutes for quart jars. That's it! Delicious pear crisp filling, naturally sweetened and ready to be used in your favorite dessert recipes. For more ideas, visit my blog and be sure to subscribe for more canning tips.